this will be the GRIZZLY 700 tire change, or rather, tire change repair update. We just got some snow here in southern Minnesota, and I tried to plow the driveway, but as I made my way to the driveway, I realized I had some loose chain right here, slapping my fender on this side. And it was slapping on this side as well, but as you can tell, this side almost completely came off on the inside right here. So I'm gonna take that one completely off and repair this one over here by putting a link in to hold the loose section tight. Stay tuned. I'm going to use this right here. I'm going to put it between these two sections right here to pull them together and then tighten it. And that should solve my problem on this side. I was able to get the link in there, now I'm gonna tighten it.